Hey guys, today we're doing some more
opening egg series!
Yes, we're going to do some surprise eggs with Marky. Say hi, Marquise.
Hi!
Look at that adorable fairies. Okay, there we go. We're going to have, check it out, we took our Weeble Wobble's house, and they have a bunch of visitors. And those visitors are, we've got turtles.
Yeah, the Kinder Joy doesn't even have eyeballs.
We have Star Wars surprise eggs. Check it out, and we have to check out our
giant egg.
Oh yeah, we've got all kinds of really cool colored eggs.
Guys, look at this.
Okay, don't spill it all over the place. Don't spill them. Alrighty, all right, Marcus, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay,
all right,
guys. First, we're gonna open up our Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joy egg. Where's it at? You gonna grab it? You got it?
Yep, it's on
all right,
the roof.
grab that Kinder Joy. Let's open it up.
Can I open up here because it's hard for me to open up?
We have to put it right in front of the camera. Make sure everybody sees it. There you go. All right, crack it open. I wonder what's going to be inside. We know what's on one side. We know it has chocolate, right?
Chocolate right there and toy right here.
The toy. Let's put it right here. Right here, so we can see it.
Oh, okay.
What's this at? Oh, is that the same one that we got before? Hold on, let's show everybody. Oh, that's the
pony.
The little pony one that's that we had before. Yeah, we got the same toy on there for. But that's cool. That's cool.
It's so cool.
We can actually go ahead and crack it. Let me crack it open and get the wings put on.
No, I want to put the wings on.
You want to put them on? Okay.
Yeah.
Here, do you take the wings?
No, let me see the instructions.
So we'll just show them what comes with it really quick. It's part of that land of Zootopia.
Yep.
So it's got all kinds. I think it's got 5 or 6. No, it's got 3 of them, and then 2 of the fairies and 3 of the ponies. Cool. All right, let's crack open another egg here.
Yeah, but first we had the.
While you're putting that together, I'm gonna open up a couple of eggs for everybody. What's this? Oh, Shopkins! Everyone loves Shopkins. Shopkins. Let's see. Let's get that focus for you. Oh yeah, Bon Appetit. Alright.
We're gonna kind of see the instructions because I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, right?
Alrighty, I'm gonna get Stormtrooper. We've got Stormtroopers. Dun, dun. Oh, look, Zootopia. Oh, we got a Zootopia character. I don't know her name, to be honest with you. I haven't seen the movie just yet.
It's not even Mrs. Judy Hopps.
We've got, let's do Paw Patrol. Let's do Olaf. Olaf up here. Olaf, he's one of the funniest Disney characters, in my opinion. Shopkins, Marky Marks, look at that.
Yeah, I'll open up one egg over here.
So we have, which one? You want the purple one?
Nah. I'll show you which one I want.
Okay.
No.
You want to open that one?
Yeah, put it back.
Okay, you can get it.
I'll get it. I have a great way to get it.
You're going to get it? Oh, you dropped him down. You dropped him down. Let's get Paw Patrol out of the way. I'll get it for everybody.
I dropped him.
There you go.
That's a great. That's what.
There you go.
That's what I'm going
to open up. Who's the red face? Is that Leonardo or Raphael?
Raphael.
It is Raphael?
It's not Raphael. It's Raphael.
Raphael. Oh.
Raphael.
Oh, this is that finger puppet we saw earlier. This guy, he's so cool.
Hey, guys, can you hand me the Star Wars Darth Vader?
Star Wars it is. Here, let's spin this around and see what we have on our turntable. We're going to get the blue one.
And we're going to get the flower.
Let's see what's inside. Oh,
we
you
got
got a Shopkin?
Darth Vader.
I forgot the name of this guy, but he's like a tree or something.
Yeah, he's like a tree. Well, Daddy's showing down. Open up the egg.
Okay, I'm going to check out Batman. Ooh, what is that?
It's a fly.
That is a gross fly. Look at his eyes.
Yeah, they're supposed to be like that.
Oh, let's crack open. Here, you're going to give you Paw Patrol, and I'm going to do
No, I'm doing
Batman.
a giant egg. I'm doing a giant egg.
Well, let's open this one first. Hold on 1 second. So everybody can see what's inside. Oh, we got our collection of
Peppa Pig.
Peppa and her friends. Do you know the name of the lamb? The little lamb? There's George, I know. Peppa.
Susie's sheep.
Sheep. Oh, no, she's a sheep, not a lamb. You're right. All right, what do we have? We got our Paw Patrol, and then we have one huge one. Do the huge one. Let's do that one, because it's got like 4 huge eggs in it.
Wait.
Pour that out on the table. Let's see what we got. That's got a bunch of eggs. But inside each egg, right? You do one at a time. Let's take a look at it.
Ooh, we got
a bunch of
smoothie.
Shopkins.
We got cupcake smoothie.
Oh, yes. She's actually, we got him or her in 2 or 3 different variations. Really cool. What's we got in the blue eggs and yellow eggs?
I'm going to open this. First, we're going to take off the sticker. Ooh.
There's another Shopkin. You know, it's funny, Mark. It's got this hole in the bottom. I wonder if these are like erasers. You think they could be like erasers? See that hole? Yeah. We should put it on one of our pencils and see.
Yeah.
All right, what else we got? All right, our second jumbo egg.
I didn't open this one yet.
Check it as soon as I right there. We got eggs everywhere, everybody. We got multiple eggs opening at once. What is that? That's that micro? Yeah. That's another one of those. Thomas
Well, Daddy's showing down. Open this
cool.
Iron Man.
All right, it's our last egg, and then let's see what's inside.
The same pony.
Oh, it might have the same pony. All right, guys. Marky, tell everybody bye and make sure that they subscribe.
No, we have one more leg.
Crack it open. Cool. Marky, say goodbye to everybody. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Definitely subscribe to our channel. Give us some thumbs up. Right, Marks? Give us a thumbs up. A big thumb up.
And click on the button below. Hey, guys. Welcome back to Gotta Toys.
That's right, guys. Welcome back to Gotta Have Toys. Today we got our friend Marquise. Say hi, Marquise.
Hi.
He is going to be helping us open up a few more McDonald's toys we got from our Happy Meal collection. We got, how many we have, Marquise? We got like 7 or 8 new ones, huh?
But Daddy, do we still have that big bag?
Yes, we do have a big bag.
McDonald's toys?
So the first one we're going to open first is going to be this one, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to let you crack that open. If you need help, tell me. I'll help you open it. You want me to help you start it? It looks like a turtle.
Oh, yeah, I do.
All right, here, right here. Get started for it. Then you open it up.
Yeah,
Okay.
we have another one.
We've got 2 of them. I think I think we do. Oh, yeah, it is 2. All right, that's fine. We can open 2 of them. So go ahead and open them up. Which one is that, Marquise? Which one is in the inside? What you got on that one?
My hands.
I'll show that one to everybody at home. You take it out of the bag. It's got these little instructions. These I think are like little. What, buddy?
Number 3 in the set.
Number 3 in the set. These are little spinners. Really quick to show you at home how they work. There's 2 pieces. You put them together and you spin them around, and then they roll around. They battle each other with the good guys and bad guys. So we have Leonardo. Actually, we have them all, right? We have Michelangelo, Leonardo. We can show them. We can show them that one first.
It has 3 Leonardo.
I know. We're going to show that one first, and then we'll check out the other ones. All right, take that plastic off the back, and I'll show everybody at home real close up to the camera, and then you can spin it around and show us how it works. Let's see. Daddy, help you take it out. There you go. Let me have the toy real quick. Alrighty, here is. Which one is this one again, buddy? Yeah. Oh, Michelangelo. So it has a little Mikey written on the inside there. They're very, very detailed. They got a lot of really cool designs here on the top, and he's got his nunchucks. Right, Marquise? He's got his shell in the back. Okay, and then we spin him around. And he just goes around and around. Do it for us one time, Mark. Yeah, you keep him in there. All right, the next one we're going to open up is the spy gear. These are the spy glasses. And Marky's going to open these up, and you're going to try these on? Yeah. And put these on. Okay, let's crack them open. Let's see, really quick. Hold on. Hold on. Let me see. Number 4. Number 4. I'm going to open up. I'll take that off there for you, buddy. There you go. All right, try those on. You should be able to see through the walls with those. Or just look really silly. Let me see.
Stop it.
That looks cool. Yeah, you do. That's where you put them on, buddy. Yep. So they're kind of like an X-ray glass. X-ray glasses. They're really cool. Try them on one more time so everybody can see you one more time. And then we'll check out the next couple of toys that we got. Can you see me over here?
I see through your mouth.
You see through my mouth? All right. Okay, so...
I see through your tummy. I see inside your tummy.
All right, so the next one we're going to open up is Picture Rika.
I see your blood.
You see my blood. Okay. Under, about our books, under 3 books. This one is a really cool book that actually has a neat little clasp that you can clip on to like a stroller. You know, if you're looking to take this out with the kids and have fun, you can actually attach that to the stroller and then flip through here. This is like kind of like a Where's Waldo. This shows you different stuff that you can pick out and find out where it is. They're really cool. It's like a flip book. You like this, Marks?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Next I want to open Shredder.
Let's do Shredder. Open them up, buddy.
Okay, how do you open it? Yeah.
I'll get him started for you, then you do it.
Go like that?
Yeah, I'll start it and then you do it. There you go. Take Shredder out there and then we can show everybody at home. Okay, you got Shredder there? What you got? Take him out. Let's show everybody at home. There you go. Give me the bag. I'll take the bag. Nice. Here, look at the detail on this guy. Is he the good guy or bad guy, Mark?
Bad guy.
He's a bad guy. Do we like Shredder? No, we like the turtles.
Yeah, he has one eyeball and I
Shredder.
And then people out there always think they has one eyeball and the other one.
Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah, let's battle. I'm gonna make him battle here. Hold on, let go. Hold on, let's do some battles. Okay, yeah, he's gone. Sweet. Shredder is off the table. All right, so what else we got? We got one more. We got a couple more. This one is another book. It's from the Happy Meal Books collection. There we go. Number 4, Big Nate in a Class by Himself. This is kind of a short read book. These are kind of really cute. We have a bunch of these that we read at night with Markies. And, oh, they come with stickers too, bud.
Why?
Check out the stickers.
Why?
Well, there's probably stickers inside there. So, Big Nate. Yeah, it's actually it's a storybook. Oh, very cool. It's like a mini book. Yeah, and then in the back you've got some different types of adventures you can go on with drawing and creating stuff. Very cool, very cool. All right, buddy. All right, Marky, so thank you guys for joining us.
No.
You want to show some more?
Yeah, more.
What we have, this is all the books we've got so far. Do you want to open this one?
Michelangelo?
Another Michelangelo. That's just the one we have, buddy. We have just the one.
But there's another one. Guys, welcome back to Toys.
Hey guys, we're back. We're going to have 4 more McDonald's Happy Meal toys we're opening today. We got Marquise, the assistant. Say hi, Marquise.
Hi.
Okay. We're going to be opening up SpongeBob SquarePants Sir Pinch-A-Lot Claw Pinching Straw Topper. We have also number 1. We're really excited about this one, Leonardo, because Marquise and I have been collecting these, and we finally got number 1, Leonardo. And then we've got the Joker Cycle, and then Transformers, Robots in Disguise. We got Fracture. So
we already got Fracture.
We already got Fracture. Yeah, we got 2 Fractures, unfortunately. So
and 2 Joker Cycles.
We got a Joker Cycle. We're getting ready to open him up. So which one you want to open first, Marks? Point it out. Which one do you want? You want to go with the turtle? No, let's do SpongeBob.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to do SpongeBob. We've got Sir Pinch-A-Lot, Claw Pinching, Straw Topper. So this is from SpongeBob the movie. This is number 4.
What's the name?
Sir Pinch-A-Lot. Krabby, I think his name is Krabby. So let's open him up and let's take a look and see what this guy looks like. He actually is a straw topper, so I have a feeling this probably goes on a straw. Which makes sense, because it's called a straw topper. Anyways, let's see. He is actually pretty cool looking. He's pretty, look at that, he's pretty detailed. He's got his belt on and everything. And see, hold on one second, let me see on the back here. This little thing here actually attaches to a straw that you put in there that you can drink a drink from. And then press this little button, and his little pinchers move. There he is in the front. Check him out. What do you think, Mark? Check him out here. Cool. You take a look at him. I'm going to open up the next one. We're going to look at this one. This is Leonardo. These are the spinning ninjas.
No, I want to do him again.
Hey, we're going to open him in a second. Yeah, let me get this one done here. Number 2. This is Leonardo. So we got our entire set. How's that?
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy, can I put this in my drink?
Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah, we can do that. Definitely. All right, so look, Markies, we got Leonardo with his 2 swords and his blue bandana. Here, take that off. No, take that back piece off. There you go. Hold on one second. Let me show everybody at home. This has got a very cool detail. This is like a street gate, like a street grate from the street. This pops off, and of course Leo is on the bottom part of this, and it's got the spinner, the shell shape with the little spinner that makes him go around and around. Let's check him out, Mark. Let's see how this guy works. Yeah, he's not spinning very good here. Oh, there we go. That was a good spin. Cool.
He's cool.
You want to take a look at him? Okay, I'm gonna put the Krabby guy back up here, so we can look at the next one. We're gonna go to the Joker. Let's see, the Joker Cycle for Batman #8. I think we had one of these before. Did we have another one, Mark? Yeah. Didn't we get 2 of those?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do this one really quick. And let's see what we got here. Okay, we got this guy all set. So he's got his little cycle. And here's the Joker. Now he just pops right onto the top. And then he comes right off. Whoa, that was pretty cool. Now our last but not least, we're going to do really quick, is our Transformer Fracture. All right, let's see this guy. Yeah, we got one of him, didn't we, buddy? Yeah, but he's got a really cool toy. So we got Fracture, and then he got his light. This kind of lights up, if I'm not mistaken. Right, Marks? Yeah, let's see. There it is. Check that out. This pushes in there. Very, very cool. So we got all of those. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. We're going to make another episode really soon. We'll see you soon.